accepting what I do, and that is my career, and I would do the same for him. So I love it that he doesn't kind of box.
Hi guys, today I gonna eat chicken and stuff. And also I like to eat chicken fries and more. Anyways, I gonna eat chicken fries because of the annoying sound. And also, if you like me, like and subscribe. So anyways, ignore that stupid sound of mine. This is the sauce. And fries. And a burger.
Minsan exposure din eh. Kasi minsan meron tayong mga household na
Done. Time to eat.
ginawa nilang alarm or doorbell ng bahay nila. Basta pag aspin, nakatali lang yan o nakakulong. Pero tingnan mo naman, di ba? Pag hinayaan, kinato mo sila ng tama, parang tao, kiss mo na. Kiss mo.
It's so yummy. It's so yummy, bruh.
Salamat sa iyo, Iya. At yan ang mga balita ngayong Martes. Ako po si Elsiang. Ako naman po si Becky Morales para sa mas malaking...
And next.
Mula sa GNA Integrated...
And next, time to eat the sauce.
24 oras.
Yummy. It's yummy. And lastly, the fries and the burger. Give me the... I want fries. Fries and burger.
Sa lahat ng mga taong pumapatay, magnanakaw.
Dude, it's so yummy. Anyways, bye. Anyways, bye. Have a nice day.